Provena United Samaritans Medical Center Foundation welcomes you to the 15th Annual Festival of Trees, home for the holidays. A very special thank you to our title sponsors, Julius W. Hegler II Foundation, Watchfire Signs by Timer-Matic, and Sunset Funeral Home, and our co-chairs, Pete Blackman and Jana Goodman. Thank you for your generosity.
Welcome home. Welcome home for the holidays. Welcome to the 15th Annual Festival of Trees. We hope that you and your family have a blessed holiday, you enjoy the festival, and then all that comes with the Christmas season.
Provena is a place where we live our mission of building communities of healing and hope by compassionately responding to human need in the spirit of Jesus Christ. The Provena United Samaritans Medical Center Foundation is vital to helping us live that mission. They work hard to put your dollars to work at home where you live. Tonight, we're celebrating 15 years of tradition, heritage, and memories. And there are countless people to thank along the way, like Greg and Sarah Robinson. They were instrumental in bringing the festival home to Danville.
I came to work for the Hospital Foundation in 1985, and one of my jobs when I was hired was to work with Pat Adrain, who was the director at the time, to develop a new event for Danville.
She came home one evening and was talking to me and says, do you think, festival would be a good idea here? And I said, yeah, you get it started. It's a big thing. It's really, everybody loves Christmas.
I don't think any of the initial people that were on that first steering committee of maybe 15, 18 people, I don't think any of us had any idea it would end up being what it is today. It's gone above and beyond anything I ever expected it to be, and it's been so embraced by the community. And of course, I think most people know that money from the foundation, from the festival, helps fund projects like Halo. And that's just such a rewarding thing to be a part of, where you have people who are still in their homes, but they need small home repairs, or they're so grateful, they're so happy when you're there just, spending a day painting the house. So there's a lot of camaraderie with the other volunteers that are there, but it also provides a real value to the community and the homeowner individually. And that kind of thing, to me, is just a really important way for the festival to give back. The community supports it, and then it turns around and takes that money and supports the community. So it's a win-win for everyone. And I've been on the end of, seeing the proceeds go back into the community, and I know what a difference that makes for those people.
I helped with, back a few years, I helped with the Halo project too, and doing some repairs on homes and stuff. And the people were it's so rewarding to see it make the circle go around. We bring it in, and then it goes right back out within the community, makes the community people really happy, and builds them, make them stronger. And that's what we want to do, is make the community strong.
John and Rosella Deloria thought for a while that they wouldn't be able to be in their home this holiday. The couple says faith in action was the answer to their prayers.
I think it's real important that people realize what faith in action does. After my heart attack and everything, I'm not able to do the things around the house that I used to do, and faith in action really is a help. They built the ramp for us. And I surely and truly enjoy someone bringing us vegetables. I thank the Lord for that we have a place in our part of the county that we can go to. We can call Chris, and what can we do for you today? And that's how wonderful it is.
I was falling up and down the stairs, so it was really hard to get someone off to do anything, And sometimes it's expensive. And when you get this age, your Social Security don't go that far. But they've done a lot for us. And Chris, she's ahead of it over here in Westville, and I call her and I say, Chris, I got a problem. And she says, what's wrong? And I tell her, well, let me see what I can do and fix it for you. So they've been a real help. It's a blessing to have it. And more people need to volunteer to help so that we can all stay in our home and be independent. That's what we want.
Teresa Kraus was diagnosed with breast cancer in May of 2010. With so many options for cancer treatment in the area, she could have gone anywhere. But Teresa decided to fight her battle with cancer right here at home.
Danville definitely needs something for people to give to support these type of Provena and Provena Hospital and everything. It just makes it easier for the people that live here in Danville to have a place that is so close to home. I was diagnosed on May 3rd of 2010, and I'd been going every year, if not every 6 months since 2002 for mammograms and ultrasounds, and didn't expect the diagnosis on May the 3rd. Danville's my hometown, and I had heard nothing but good about the Provena Cancer Center and Dr. Labayag and Dr. Soni.
And the place Kraus got her life-saving treatment is evolving. Beginning in May 2011, Provena's Regional Cancer Center underwent a $1 million transformation. It now features a more modernized look, more privacy and comfort for patients, and a new pathway of care. 75% of the money used for the remodeling was raised here, thanks to people like you.
Provena is capable of providing the entire spectrum of acute medical services. But beyond that, when you look at the specialties in ICU and our new pulmonologist and the things that come with that, the Cancer Center is one of our premier service lines, one of the best in the country, frankly, and continue to add service lines around that in order to meet the needs and the challenges for women suffering from breast disease, as well as everyone who would be suffering from cancers as a whole. You know, you don't have to go anywhere outside of Danville to seek expert medical care. What I'm most proud of at United Samaritans Medical Center are not the changes that we've made, but the changes that our people make. The people who work in our ministries are indeed our most valuable resources. They're the greatest assets that we have. But through them, we're able to make changes in all of the service lines that we deliver, from the Cancer Center, the ICU, the emergency department, our medical surgical units. Those service lines in general have done a great job of being able to provide those services through the people who work in our ministry.
The people that service, you know, the nurses and everything, they're like family, and you see them out, and you know, they actually give you hugs, and it's good for the well-being, because going through cancer is a little bit mind-boggling, if to say the least.
Understanding the magnitude and the breadth of services that are available at United CMs will help people to stay in town to get their medical care. It's vital that there be a hospital in Danville, and it's vital that people continue to use that hospital in order to keep it vibrant and growing, in order to meet the needs of the community.
Thank you for believing in us. May God bless you, and happy holidays.